Hey guys, welcome back to another video with Lim Reviews. So in today's video, I'm super excited to check out the AMAZFIT T-Rex that it comes with the army green color. So I've been trying to get my hands on this watch right here in this army green. If you see on my desk right here, I actually have the black version already, and this is one of my favorite designs. I just love the design of the AMAZFIT T-Rex so much. So the fact that Dasher came in and told me that they could lend me AMAZFIT T-Rex in the army green color, and I was super excited because this is what I've been waiting for. Okay, so more information about Dasher. There are these guys who sell AMAZFIT smartwatches here in Malaysia and Singapore. They have a store on Lazada, so links down below. But now let's go into the unboxing of the AMAZFIT T-Rex. Alright guys, so I know my desk is a bit messy right here, and I'm not even going to use a mic. I'm just going to use the mic from the camera itself. But once again, let me just show you the watches that I have. Obviously I have the T-Rex here in black, the GTR, the GTS, the AMAZFIT X. But today, super excited to just check out this AMAZFIT T-Rex here in army green. So like I mentioned before, I've already had the black version and I've been using it for so long. And this is actually, if you ask me, my personal favorite, just because I love the design of this T-Rex so much. But yeah, so we're going to check out this green version. Let's unbox this right away. So obviously, when we pull it out from the box, we get another box. And let's check this out. Ooh, wow, check this out guys. This is the AMAZFIT T-Rex in army green. Really, really good looking. Wow, I've never felt that an AMAZFIT watch could look this good, guys. Like, whoo, look at that. Alright. So let me just put this beside my black version right here. So which do you guys actually prefer? Do you guys like the green or the black? I must say that this green is I really think I must buy this watch for myself instead right now because it looks so good. Let me just show you guys around. Woo! It's always good to feel a new watch right out of the box because everything feels so smooth. Those rubber is, I don't know how to explain it, but yeah, it's really, really good guys. Okay, so let's put this down. Obviously, I'm going to show you guys what else comes in the box, which is the charger and the manuals. So let's check out the charger that came with the AMAZFIT T-Rex. Pretty used to this actually. And we do get this tiny charger here. So not the round one that we get with the Stratos that I'm wearing right now. And this should go onto the back pretty easily. Let me see, is it this way? Yep, it's like that. So snaps on very well to the back of the AMAZFIT T-Rex. Let's just put that out. And yeah, we do get the manuals, but I'm not going to go into that because usually no one actually reads the manuals. So yep, got this out of the way, and let's focus back on the AMAZFIT T-Rex. So I'm going to power this on and be right back really quickly. Alright guys, I powered up the watch and actually connected it to my AMAZFIT app. So I've got the watch running right now. So just look at this, it looks so good guys. It's currently on my wrist right now. Once again, let me put up the black right here. Which do you guys prefer, the black or the green? I think I really like the green because I have all my watches in black actually. So really a fan of black, but yeah, this time the green does look so good. Alright guys, so without going into too much features about the AMAZFIT T-Rex, let me just tell you a bit about this smartwatch right here. So first up, this AMAZFIT T-Rex is known for its military grade materials being used. So apparently this is supposed to be super durable and very strong, so you can like just knock it on the wall, knock it on the floor. It should not break. This is supposed to be very durable. So another thing we need to know here is that there is a very nice AMOLED display that you can see here. Obviously colors are amazing. We have great contrast levels, very good viewing angles, and definitely have no issues looking at the time on this watch outdoors. So one more thing that you need to know about the AMAZFIT T-Rex is that it comes with a 20-day battery life. So based on my personal use with the AMAZFIT T-Rex down there that I've been using for the past 3 months, basically I would say that the battery life is about 14 days or 2 weeks. but that is definitely pretty good in my books. Other than that, you need to know that it comes with a built-in GPS that is very good. This is the best GPS that we have in all the AMAZFIT smartwatches, the one to get in the AMAZFIT T-Rex. So definitely no issues there. And obviously, yeah, it does track your heart rate, tracks your sleep, and a couple of activities such as walking, running, and swimming. Alright, so for the full review, once again, go check out my video that I've already done on my YouTube channel. But yeah, just want to show you guys the AMAZFIT T-Rex once more. Very nice looking watch here. Alright guys, so one final look at the AMAZFIT T-Rex in green and black side by side. So if you're looking for an AMAZFIT T-Rex, this video should help you out in terms of which color you might actually want to get. I know there's also another camo version out there, but I'm not able to get my hands on that. But so far I have the green and the black right now, so let me know what you guys think about these AMAZFIT T-Rex watches. Alright guys, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!